currently an empty screen. Give me a moment. I have been sorting out a few things. We'll get the music going first, shall we? Before we go too far. No, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Well, hello, welcome back. Okay. So we're doing something a slight bit different today. And I'm just trying to organize it all. I'm sorry, cats. So I don't know if you can actually tell, but the cool thing that's going on right now is I'm not just live here on YouTube. For once as well, we're also streaming over on Twitch at the same time. And to prove that, boom, that's not a YouTube dashboard, that's Twitch dashboard, and that's our current stream. So we're multi-stream, multi-platform streaming now. Would you look at that? And I look like an absolute mess for it. Let's go. There we go. That looks a bit better. We've also got new thumbnails that have been that I used. I took photos of myself. Would you look at that? So now we have a lot of stuff going on. However, I do believe the chat box isn't fully set up correctly yet. So it's gonna be like a little bit of a technical day, where especially early on because we're getting stuff set up. Come on, properties. Oh no, it's in here, isn't it? Yeah. But yeah, it's a kind of a little fun thing where we're gonna be trying this today. If this works out well, we're gonna be doing this permanently. If it doesn't, we'll do it just for programming streams primarily. So take that as you will. It's a very weird setup, and I'm getting used to it, but it's really cool. Okay. Can I not open any of my sources at the moment? I can open that one. I cannot open the chat box one though. Okay, where can I do that? Okay. What does this come under? The Susbean game? Oh god. Is it this that I need? Okay. Well, it's kind of working. Um. Okay. And then no, that looks horrendous. Okay. Making sure there's less bugs hiding among us. Oh my god, no. That's pain. Okay, yeah, I can see that. Is that a HoloLive? What the fuck are you doing? Wait, did you not know that there's a HoloLive collab in thing? Even I knew that. In fact, fun fact, the only thing I've ever done with Among Us is actually loaded up and purchased that bundle. I've never played the game. I've just purchased that bundle. Okay, and then if I go back here, settings, we'll make it bottom, not top, because it'll look better with the positioning that it is. Now, does that automatically take place, or do I need to refresh the cache? There we go. I mean, to be fair, I haven't played Among Us, like, at all. Genuinely, I've never played the game. I've watched a lot of gameplay, but I've never played the game. I just bought the HoloLive collab. Okay, there we go. So, again, just to explain what's going on and the kind of coolness that everything is set up with, we are actually streaming on both YouTube and Twitch at the moment. And in fact, the chat that I just was setting up is the chat for both of them. So if I type over here, that should come up. Except that is tiny as fuck. But yeah, that's me typing over on Twitch. I don't like that font thing. I think that font thing looks bad. And in fact, I can actually use this thing to type from both very easily. It's pretty cool. Betrayal. I'm not betraying. I'm expanding. That looks way better. Now I need to affect the text scale. It's hard to gauge it all. It didn't come up. It doesn't come up in there. It comes up on the actual screen. I'm just currently mucking around with the settings to see if we can make it all look nice. There we go. So there you go. You see the restream IO. The chat is ready to display messages. So if I type now, that should send a message. Yeah, sweet. And let's send a message right there. Nice. I should probably, in the YouTube video, the comments of it, have a thing for this. There we go. This is actually working way smoother than I expected. Okay, so now I just need to... Is there a way to set up the chat there? No, it doesn't look like there is, so I have to... don't tell me I have to go back to my old system. Ugh. Well, I mean, the chat doesn't disappear from that screen very quickly. I'll muck around with those settings at a later point. Okay, launch. Oh yeah, that's fucking impossible to see like that. Alright, if I miss chat stuff, it's gonna be a bit more difficult. I'll have to set that up properly at another time. Okay. So let's actually get to the programming, shall we? The promised programming. Honestly, so what I want to stress with this, and this is something that like genuinely was a fear for me when doing this, is so the thing I'm using is called Restream, and it does have a watermark, but it doesn't appear to be watermarking the outputs. So that means both YouTube and Twitch do not have anything on them, which I'm going to be honest, if that is the case, we're going to be doing this permanently from now on. So yay, gonna stream on 2 platforms. Among Us players are vile. Yeah, I can't speak for what's it? Like kind of the general players. I can again, all I have seen of Among Us is specific groups that I watch play it. And like one of the groups I've watched play it played it before it was even kind of like hitting the big popular speed like thing. And I didn't think that was too bad at a time. Oh, also, we're doing different music today because I wanted to support someone that has the great idea of breaking some of the rules. Got me a flight stick and a throttle. Turns out I can use them. Oh god. Really? They can? That's actually impressive. And that's pretty cool. They're seen as generic controllers. Oh. That's actually very interesting. Okay. Where did I leave off on with this game? Okay, still need to fix that bug one day. So yeah, last stream I know was a lot of like art stuff, so that's why I'm kind of just not wanting to do that today. So I think what I've got an idea to do is the work on the juniper thing. The echo weapons system. And one day we'll sort this out. So this is actually a weakness of Juniper I was wary of, which is like, she actually has really shit kill time. In some regards, and because of like the uncontrollable nature of her thing, she kind of just sits here and hopes, and then yeah, sure, they die, but and like you can clear out groups probably faster than most others if you get the condition right, but like now all of that EXP is kind of hard to get to. Ooh, Satanic Resilience is actually a really good bit. Oh shit. I knew you'd updated this, I actually haven't seen it yet. Well, there you go, that's what the new end of run screen looks like, I guess. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna work a little bit on the echo spell system, because that's a system that I think should be, once it's organized one way, it should be pretty simple to kind of like replicate. So we'll work on goop for it, because it'll be the easiest one to test. So this is a re-trigger. So I need to have something different than that. All right. No, there should be nothing caring about them. So I need to introduce a target system. Or actually, no, a caster, right? So first of all, we need to look at its abilities that it's under. Which one is it? No. Little Moth. First of all, I swear I've not seen this fucking baby moth. Baby Juniper ability trigger. Okay, so was I blind Or did I not see Baby June? Yeah, just as a reminder, by the way, the music that's playing in the background is from the Heartbound OST. It is the game being developed by the one, the only, the coolest, sorry, I'm just looking at this and wondering why this is fucked. The guy that fucking Pirate Software, the best dude ever. I need to be able to see Baby Junie, and then we can work from there. I still don't see Baby Junie. Okay. Yeah, still don't see Baby June. What was supposed to be the maths for this again? What was the math we had for... It's not goop, it is ink sprayer. Ah, here we go. Oh no, this is Y. Yes, it's Y. X. Oops. Try this. Oh, so my computer's probably going to be going a little slow today just because I have a lot of other stuff in the background because of assessment work. I apologize in advance for that. Only so much you can do, right? There we go. There's our buddy. Interesting. I don't have a pause on it to handle thing. I thought I would. With that. Oh, because it's current time versus time. Can I just do that? That should be fine, right? Okay, it's slow as hell with movement now. But that's like super easy. Plus equals 10. Now we can like tweak it a bit more accordingly. I'm not gonna keep it as manual tweaks, but you know, maybe I will. We just 10 times its speed, by the way, so it's gonna go fucking fast. I might need to pull it down immediately. No, it doesn't seem actually too bad. Could be a little slower. So let's go with 7. Alright, so now that we know where baby Junie is. Here we go. So this is the baby Junie indexing thing. So currently this is a boolean. So what we should do is we should change this from a boolean to an ID. Or um this is a good question now. Sorry, my brain is doing the like ticking over thing. So now is begs the question. Okay, this should be pretty easy from this point onwards because all I need to do is find all instances of O player and just replace it with caster. Right? Like that's what this is from now on. So, for example, here. Oh, doctor. This also now begs a question that I think is a valid one. So currently how damage is done or like calculated at the end is this. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a ternary operator. So what we're going to have is layer. That should be what we need. Because what is this baby actually going to be called? Do I push a name on it? I do not. Yeah. So name's getting pushed onto it, and then that name gets transferred through. So now it means that the echo will count as damage dealt by that, by the ability here, and not the ability itself, the weapon. So the reasoning behind this is I want to give you the go, or like your brain goes, oh yeah, no, that duplicated a lot for me. That was really good. God, I'm still trying to work out the systems. Okay. Okay, so how do I actually manage that? Because that's me being interested now. Sorry, I'm looking over at Twitch, and I'm trying to figure out how to edit stream info. It's software, game development. All right, there we go. Sorry, again, this is going to be a progressive thing for me, trying to figure these details out and organize my setup better for this. So forgive me for now. So now, if I use Juniper's weapon, it should cast from Baby Junie, right? I think that's what we put in for the weapon stuff, yeah? If we pick any other weapon, it's probably not going to work at all. No, it's not casting from the thing. We were looking at ink sprayer. We need to do it here. Yeah, so we haven't done the change here. Name was going to be the ternary operator. That's not what I wanted. All right. There we go. Let's try that now and see if that works. Yeah, that's... That's a no from me, dog. All right, How do I interact with that? Do I have to turn on mod view? Is that what I need to do? Can I not delete a message on Twitch? How do you delete a message? There we go. That is incredibly difficult to understand. Show mod icons. It was missing. I didn't used to have that as a thing that I had to select. What the fuck? There we go. Anyway. Alright, not set before reading for goop. Ah, yeah, it's because we've changed that. To this. So remember, this means we're going to have to go through every single weapon and do the same changes to them. However, these are some pretty minor changes for potentially like the entire system being done very quickly and easily. I would argue that they're pretty minor changes, right? Alright. So let's watch if the bug casts. Hey! The bug casts. Awesome! So now there is some weaknesses of it that we'll need to sort out. So this is where I actually point out there was one thing we introduced not that long ago that was in part because I knew it needed to be done for this. There was a whole lot of reasons, but there was the functionality to change for the damage stuff, like how damage was dealt. Why is that the case? Well, like think about Iron Mike. Iron Mike didn't have good damage systems before because of the way it went. So now it pushes through the damage more cleanly. It pushes the damage through. It doesn't do a bunch of like weird per frame cleanup and all that sort of stuff for a specific frame cleanup. So now this is where the rest of it needs to be overhauled, and that's the big thing. This is one of the weapons that is going to require some of the most work done for it, because it is going to have unique functionality comparative, if you think about it. Because what it's going to have to do is it's going to have to spawn around the bug, deal its damage, and then disappear. But we have now at least got the general idea of what we're going to approach this with. I actually, like, again, thinking about how simple that is, it's just changing something that should have been this way from the beginning, using the caster logic this. I like it. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna quickly check. Can I add... Okay, sorry, I'm doing again. A lot of today is setting up things. What's happening? Oh god. There we go. Okay, that's back. Doing some weird shit going on at the moment. Okay. Oh, we lost the chat thing that I had. Okay. Settings. Get the embedded link again. At least we don't have to do all of the weird screwy around work that we did before. It should be a lot faster this time. Can I actually tweak this now? I can. There you go. Okay, there's that done. Sorry, I'm just gonna be looking at some stuff for a little while, so... no, that's not what you care about. Does this work? Sort of. I'm just trying at the moment to organize it so I can have like the chat easily on my screen. Okay, that works there, but the problem is that if we go here and then we refresh this, the text is going to be really small, isn't it? Yeah. And it would need to be that big to even make it warrantable. Okay. Can I make 2 overlays? This is annoying. Can I change? The custom CCS, or CSS, sorry. It's been a while since I've had to code in something similar. No, that's not what I want. No, I don't care about top to bottom chat. I just want to change the text, the font size. It's not as simple as that, is it? Oh my god, it is as simple as that. I was thinking it was... Yeah, okay, never mind. I'm stupid. Cool, that's super easy then. Try 40. Oop. So 40 is definitely too much. So go to 35. Yeah, 35 looks solid. Oh, that was a fun time setting up. Okay. It was literally just put in font size, colon, then the number pixel into the body that's already pre-existing. I was like, I couldn't remember the code for it, and then I just looked at someone saying like HTML, it's just font size. I'm like, oh fuck, it is, isn't it? Okay, so now we need to go through all weapons and change the if copy to if caster player. For now, this is all we'll do for this part of it. But we will have to go through and do way more for some specific weapons. So it's do this, then we do the ternary operator, and we do the function change, the function condition change. What am I doing, by the way? I just realized. There we go. Just saved like a good another few minutes worth of work there. That was nice. Okay, so that's one that doesn't want to be changed. So let's go to the top of the document. Don't get to change that one. Do change that one, do change that one, do change that one. Not that one. Change that, change that. Not that. So it's those collision detection ones we don't want to change because they're mainly for error checking. Oh, I do want to change these. That'll be interesting. Control H. No, those ones we don't change. I think those are the ones that I want for that, right? Cool. Okay, and then with this one, we change it to the ternary operator that we have now. Should just be a universal changeover. Should be fine. So this means that most weapons should work correctly. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's do it a little better then. Oh, all right. Fuck, what's tomorrow again? I know it's Wednesday, but like, what am I streaming tomorrow again? It's Honkai Star Rail, right? Yeah. That's gonna be fun. I wonder how the setup is. Like, it's because so there's a couple of tweaks that I'm gonna make to accommodate Twitch, because Twitch is a needy bitch. For like bitrate and stuff like that, because there's a bitrate cap for Twitch, so I have to nudge the bitrate down a little bit. It should mean the stream should actually take a little less resources as well. Should be nice. Okay, so theoretically, this means that nothing actually has changed, by the way, with the weapons. Outside of when the bug would use it, when the baby Junie uses it. Which will be good. I mean, like, that was the entire purpose. That was actually a very quick changeover. But, like, don't get me wrong, there's still more tweaks, like we talked about with Iron Mike. Iron Mike needs to be changed to accommodate the new style of that. Well, I mean, like, there's okay, so it would be Akuma Umbrella, Iron Mike, and there's a couple of others that are kind of like permanent effects or permanent sort of things going on. So those will have to be changed accordingly as well. Is there actually very many other examples? Like Anonymous Feather will be fine. Gasha will be fine. Yeah, it's mainly these two. The first two weapons I designed are the ones that are going to be the problematic ones. Of course they fucking are. Makes an argument that I maybe should just rework them from the ground up. Redesign them according to more recent standards that we've done the game so far. Okay, I'm going to say this now as well, so this is another point that I kind of want to bring forward. So normally we have like game music and it's the Mort Dog playlist going, which is good. I like it. It's very fun, very cool. I've felt that this music has been so much better for doing the game dev stuff, as well as it is completely guaranteed to not cause any copyright issues. And if it does, then I will personally send Pirate Software a sternly written formal complaint. I am addressing the one known as Thor. I address Thor. For I will not stand for his lies and deceit. For you see, I was informed that this would be fine, but in fact, it was not. Nay, I have no understanding of why, But I shall not stand for this, and I demand retribution. I don't know what I'm going off on. But yeah. Dun, dun, dun. I'm not gonna lie, this has been way more of a stable experience than I thought it was going to be. Streaming on 2 platforms. Go restream, you're fucking cool. And it means that I can type in both chats. Or in one chat in particular. And it means we can set up bots and stuff like that pretty easily. God, me getting the power of bots. That can only go well. Actually, that's a good point. Can't I make a command to clip on Twitch? And then maybe I can route that through Restream? As a bot command? So it means that even on YouTube you'd be able to clip? Because that means y'all can fucking make my goddamn shorts easier to make. As well as I can make them easier to make. Because I could then probably set up like a Stream Deck binding to just clip. I know, we can see. Means I'll actually get higher quality things as well, because it's Twitch should be 1080 right now. Yeah, 1080, 60 FPS. Sorry, I'm just having a quick squiz around on something and it's causing a bit of load issues. Interesting. That's a good question. What does that turn up on Discord for me right now? Ooh. Okay. Alright, there we go. I've done my pissing around for now. Again, keep in mind that today is going to be a bit more of a chaotic one for getting this stuff set up because we want to get it set up. Once it's set up, then that means that we can use it again and again in the future. So the more work we do today, the less we have to do in the future, hopefully. Hopefully. That's a good point. So sources and scene selectors need to change position on my little dashboard. And then I might need to make a different one later for something else. We'll see. Sorry, I'm tweaking my Streamlabs layout. So now kind of what I mean, and I can show this a little bit quickly, is now you can see like I've got that chat thing there and all my stuff has been moved around accordingly. I'm a little annoyed by how rigid these things are though. Can I not just like... Yeah, like I can't resize them myself. Which is really annoying. Like, I genuinely, it is the most annoying part. Because if I could resize it myself, then like I would drag the camera down more so I could see it large. Why is this like one of the only pieces of software that doesn't allow you to do some of that shit, man? Streamlabs, come on. It's not hard. Do you not know how to do that shit? You have to hard code your fucking transition matrices. Can't even do like, what is it called again? It's rafterizing? I can't fucking remember. Katara, Zuko, and Toph are coming to Fortnite tomorrow. Oh, hell yeah. Can't wait to continue to not play that game. I was actually asked about that, like, fairly recently. Like, why have I never played Fortnite? And I have a very simple answer for you. Just don't want to. Not my cup of tea. I'm not huge into shooter games. And the games that I do enjoy for shooters, I want to be able to play with mates that are overseas. And that game seems like a horrendous one to play with ping. Also, apparently No Game No Life anime premiered 10 years ago. We're still waiting for season 2. Pain. Risk a rain posting about something. Always a good sign. I should play more Risk of Rain too. It's a great game to play. Okay, but yeah, I hope y'all have seen the schedule for the week, and, are excited. Right? We got slightly new stuff coming through. Changing things up a bit. Oh. Because I don't want to make more work for myself, right? But I want to, like... Again, I want to do something interesting with the channel. I think, yeah, no, I'll talk about this a bit at a better time, but like, I'm kind of in the middle of this, trying to find what I want to do with the channel again, and define, like, how much work I'm willing to put in, what I should be working on, and what I should not be working on. Which is, that last one is the hardest, right? Is, I think I've overstretched in some capacity, and now I need to fix that. I'm also really upset I couldn't finish my fucking assignment that's due this evening. Yesterday. It was a nightmare. Why are you not casting? Did I break something with the leveling it? I believe I have. Okay. Ah, yeah, it's because reconfigure doesn't start it again. I forgot reconfigure doesn't restart it. Alright. It seems to get a little weird with the running animation. I'm not sure if that's just me or not. That also doesn't get pushed to thing. So we'll fix that quickly. Array push. It's times global time source force array value. We have to do it this way from memory. Because otherwise it struggles. I need to stop pressing that. Again, I'm using Visual Studio, so I'm used to pressing Control-Shift-S. Cool. Pause is perfectly fine now. Now, I want to double check something. 41, yeah. Yeah, so it looks like that's working as intended. I'm gonna stress, I still think this is one of the best model I have made. Potentially. It's just the combat, oh no, was it, the SCP Junie? I think is genuinely the, like, prettiest Junie that I did. And is one of the best characters I've just done, straight up. Fight me. God, that disintegrates because they're considered two separate DOTs. So fucking reminder, right? There was a portion of time where the DOTs would stack indefinitely with itself. And this is a great example as to why they had to be fixed. Like, why this DOT could not stack. Is because with two stacks of it on there, it is vaporizing these dudes. Imagine if it could just stack for every tick, every frame that it could interact with it. Do this for some healing. Again, the whole point of this one. I'm liking this so far. Feels very slow, but again, Juniper is supposed to be a scaling orientated one. Because she has the echo effect, so she inherently scales like not quite double everything because it has a unique cooldown to itself. But like the fact is that yeah, no, Juniper is designed to scale with a potential that not many other characters are going to be able to achieve, right? It's hard to really pin down the value of being able to recast your weapons. with new mess, give me more speed. Should also heal up a little bit. So this is one that I want to see what happens to it. Interesting. Because it's not got an update position. Also, I need to remember to... thing. Oh, I died. So ability 2 is the thing. So you can see that its damage is pretty high, all things considered, but it's nowhere near as much as the base weapon. Again, because cooldown dependencies. Okay, so we need to go fix... where is it actually, the math being done? I think it's inside the object, right? Because if I get, yeah, it's got to be like 7. Let's give a character this thing. Give this weapon. So... Ren stopped. And we're looking for... Idle Song is weapon 11. I'm gonna give it to K-Song because I just kind of want to see K-Song's model for a bit. That's basically it. Like, we could tweak it to being a little bit more than that, but yeah. I think that's perfectly fine. Do that. 7.1. So it just goes slightly off screen. Oh, the game is slowly getting longer and longer to build. It's kind of annoying. I gotta figure out why it's taking so long to build, because this isn't even stream related at this point. This is actually genuinely, it takes ages to build the game. I'm wondering if it's just because my computer is shite, or if I have done something to its creation that makes it fucked. So now it should just go a little bit off screen. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Switch this one back. So there we go. So Baby Junie is more or less working with a few details that need to be changed. Lasagna, yeah. I mean, assume there's lasagna. That's what you were trying to say. Ingarsel? I don't know what Ingarsel is supposed to be. Ingarsel backwards. Lasagna, like lasagna, but spelt wrong. Fuck. You know what the best part is? Because of the new system, even if you delete your messages, they're gonna stay on screen. There's no, no purging that shit now. Yes, that is how you spell lasagna. No fucking way. Yeah, no, I'm pretty sure that's how you spell lasagna, right? Your whole life is a lie? There are moments like that. Yeah, no, lasagna is spelt with an A at the end, not an E. I mean, like, especially when it comes to Italian stuff, I find everyone gets stuff wrong, right? Like, penne. And the amount of people I hear are called, like, penne, Pino, or fucking, panine. But yeah, no, there you go. Lasagna is a fucking, look, again, I openly will say, yeah, a few of those have tripped me up. That's, Italian words to English are really fucking hard. Because it doesn't make sense. It's loan words from, Italian are just not good in English. Because we do not know how to spell them or say them correctly. I mean, I hear the same thing with Japanese loan words, because, like, is it umami? Is apparently, like, quite a hard word for a lot of people I know to say. But, I mean, I don't have too much trouble with Japanese, but that's because I've learned a bit of Japanese. Well, it's hard now. Well, you never know. Okay. There's probably not actually much time to work on anything substantial at this point, is there? Kind of just time that I could fuck around, play the game, but fix more things for tomorrow potentially. Because yeah, we'll probably stream like this again from now on. Just because I don't think it's a lot more setup time. There's a lot more stuff I have to do, so I have to be on the ball a little bit better. But yeah, I can multi-stream now. Woo. Who do we want to play as? Who do I want to try and play a run as? Don't abandon us. I ain't abandoning no one. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Who do I want to play out of all of these? It's a record right there. Yeah, what the fuck are you doing with your goddamn, like, spamming the same message? Come on. Fix your shit already. Dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. All right. The fuck? Oh, that's what I took a moment to read that. Good lord, that was hard to read. Let's just play some good old Iron Mouse. Still arguably one of the strongest characters. Ooh. That was interesting. So one thing I do want to do is I do want to get the, if the mode switches for the player. Also, that's actually really incredible. If the mode switches for the player, so currently you've got it so the arrow takes, the input of where the mouse is looking, and that actually affects a lot of weapons. I want to make it so when it switches, so if I do take away my hand, you can see that no longer it's the player is facing the direction relative to that, but now the arrow still is. I wanted to change that. That's probably one of my next little mini goals. Mothaholic, because it's insanely strong. Well, potentially. I still need to, I think I need to tweak Mothaholic stats, because I think it's a little too low now with the changes that have been done to the game overall. Alright, give me XP. What was hard to read, you hyper-realistic VTuber guy that's a beard that has a beard with a singular crumb top right what? I think I had a stroke trying to read that. I apologize. I don't see what is wrong with any of my messages. I'll be real, like there isn't anything wrong. Mate, hey, stop it. Or else I shall expose your chair's made costume collection, and you know chair has their feelings. My brain is struggling with these. Fuck, that's the text limit. When you're trying to like get all of it in as possible, all of the message in as fucking write all of the message, and it's just the fucking I'll have you know I graduated top of my class and have over 300 confirmed kills. Urgh. Still more experience, good lord. Okay. I have no idea what the fuck you're saying at this point. Your words elude me. Moth goop. Okay, I need to remember. We can work on that in a second, that we need to have the thing minus based on maximum decrease as well. Because currently that's not very readable from this. Oh, hello. Unknown object caster. What did we do wrong there? I'm gonna be honest, it's really hard to read that, so I am gonna ignore them. suffer. So it's ink sprayer, so it's caster is not a thing here? Why is caster not working here? Oh, it's because caster is not, it's a time source, I forgot. My bed shades and maid PJs are as mentioned waiting for you. Ooh. Maid PJs? Hell yeah. You immediately activated a neuron with that. Well done. Okay, that should fix the ink sprayer. We've had the first 6 letters and the last letter. What? L? You're giving me the L? Is that what it is? God, kids these days. Think they're hot shit. Got him. Fucking... I'm turning into a Twitch chatter, but you're on YouTube. If you want to do Twitch chat, it's over on Twitch. Like, we actually have that now. I know. The weirdest shit, man. I'm just gonna get rid of whatever the fuck those were. Never shall I do that, boy. Sure. I believe that. That's super believable. Alright, well, we're gonna finish up here anyway, because it is time for me to start getting ready for my lectures. So this was a fun time. Okay, got the experiment going. Worked out really well. We'll see how it goes with Star Rail tomorrow. Because if it goes well, then we will just keep doing this. We will just have like the dual streaming, because I don't see an issue with that. And it will be the progressive effort to try and refine it and make it better. So yeah, I will also stress game is slowing down in pace of what we can work on at the moment, and that is partly because of me, partly because we're still waiting on stuff from my maid. There's a whole variety of reasons. I'll try and pick up the pace over the break a little bit, but I'm also going to not burn myself out over my 2-week break like I did last year, which was horrendously bad, because that's when we did our first initial release, and that ended up causing me it was too much. So we're not doing that again. So with that all being the case, thank you so much for watching. You're awesome, stay awesome, and I hope to see you again next time. Until then, bye bye. Oh shit, I need to, where is it? That one.